Cuban links, Versace minks. Fuck what these niggas think. Plotting on bills as I cheat.
The Mishimoto radiator has entered the fucking chat. Today we're gonna be doing the radiator install now that we got the good old Mishimoto in. I've already gone in and put back the throttle body, and even took the time to brush and polish the ETCS label. It looked kind of cool. Putting it back on, you just got these two bolts here, and you got one down underneath, and then you just slap on your good old sensors like so. And then you're gonna come over here and reattach your throttle cable. Just spin it back and slide that. And as you can see, oh, I lied. You can't see. Oh, there we go.
Baby texting me like I miss you. Hustle my bitch, man, it's my shit. Real estate plans.
The new radiator does not come with your fans and whatnot, so you're gonna take these bolts out down here in the bottom, and then once you get those off, disconnect this little clamp, move the hose, and you should be able to pull the fans off like so. The new radiator also does not have this sensor here. It has a plug right there, so you're just gonna take this one off the old one like this.
Get your ass capped. Every single dollar invested, gotta get my cash back. Niggas stuck on stupid, but you know we moving past that. And no, I can't do no show for free, bitch. What a cash shit, like, yeah. You think it's cheap to be a rapper, cause it ain't. It's not. A lot of niggas wanna make it, but they break. Think it's cheap to be a rapper.
Alright, this bolt here, I forgot, it goes to this right here, so I'm gonna have to take it off the old one. Swap that over like Houston, we have a problem. So they don't say this on the website, but if you have an auto trans with an IS300, you're gonna need an oil cooler for your trans, because these two lines right down here are what attach down to these little banjos, and that don't got one. So we're gonna take a trip to the auto store. And this is what we came up with. Mishimoto actually does say it on their website that the radiator's for a manual trans, but I can't read. But I know how to do screws and bolts and things like that. So we just went and grabbed one of these from the fucking parts store. It's like 30-40 bucks or whatever. The hose fits up pretty good, and we're just gonna run this through here. Maybe we'll put something cool on the front so you can see it through the BN kit. Just take these two lines off there and there, and then pretty much just run it up. Alright. And there she goes. It's all zipped up, got it pretty even, lines through here, down and around. Those holes, maybe a little pattern for the radiator, just in case it wants to bunch up. That should be good. Alright, she's in. Need two little spacers for it so it doesn't rub again. Everything's plugged up. Where the cameras is, ain't no chain, but my aura shine like a laminate. Picture this, I ain't saying no prayers, but my Grammy did. You know I'm spending money, but more focused on stashing it. Location full of bad bitches like a draft pick. I get behind, I'm ramming it. I ain't banging, but the frame. Big legs, big flex. I'm taking all shots.